Dear brothers and sisters in Christ, in the midst of life's challenges, let me share a comforting truth with you. Jesus is the ultimate healer. His compassion knows no bounds, and His power to mend brokenness extends to both body and soul. When the weight of illness or adversity presses upon you, remember the promise of healing found in the teachings of Jesus. His words and actions throughout the Gospels reveal a profound willingness to bring restoration to those in need. Trust in His unfailing love. For just as He healed the sick and comforted the afflicted during His earthly ministry, He stands ready to bring healing to your life. Embrace the hope and solace that comes from believing in the transformative power of Jesus, the healer of hearts and bodies alike. May the healing touch of Jesus encompass you, bringing comfort to your body and solace to your soul.